This is Trumpet Packet 2. This is the second part of the video. Sorry, the last video I was taking, which is what we did, Song 90 and Song 91, then my battery died on my camera. So this is the second part of Packet 2, Page 1. We are going to be starting on song number 106, March Militaire by Franz Schubert. I was reminding you on song 106, all naturals, so it's going to be B with middle finger. In the second to last measure, make sure you're doing B. The first note of the second to last measure is middle finger B natural. And in the first two measures, there's an F sharp accidental, which happens to also be middle finger. The first three measures are the most difficult of the whole song because they kind of have a lot of leaps in it. After you get past the first three measures, it's kind of scale-ish and pretty comfortable. So can everybody warm up the first measure? The first measure should sound like this. Everybody go ahead and warm up those first four notes. Play it a couple times. All right, everybody find high C. Bum, 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 bum. Song 106. 1, 2, ready, go. Song 106. All right, move on to song 109, Bottom Bass Boogie. Notice it's a duet. There's an A staff and a B staff. So I'm going to first play the A staff, then I'm going to pause, and then I'm going to play the B staff. So you can decide whether you want to play along with me, play the same staff as I'm playing, or do you want to play the other staff, which would be like playing a duet with me. You'd be playing the other part, and we'd be playing what's called a duet. Look ahead toward the ending. Do you see that there's a first ending and a second ending? Over here there's a first ending and a second ending. So first time through, you go to the end, you play the first ending, you leap back to the beginning. You see the double dots, which means repeat time back to the beginning. Then you play the whole song again, but that time you don't play the first ending, you play the second ending instead. Okay, so you do the first ending the first time, the second ending the second time. Notice it's also on the B staff. They didn't draw the 1 and the 2. It's not quite as obvious if you look at the end of the B staff, but there's a first ending and a second ending on the B staffs also. Okay, so bottom bass boogie. Please check the key signature. The key signature is B flat. So whether you have high B's or low B's, there's both. First finger, B flat, first finger for high B's and low B's. There's high B's and low B's in this. Okay, as you look at the E's, you'll see a lot of the E's are marked as an E flat accidental. E flat accidental is used a lot in this song. E flat is 2-3. 2-3 with medium power. Here's an E flat. Try to blow an E flat with me. So medium power, that's E flat. In measure 2 on the A staff, if you're playing the A staff in measure 2, you see how the first note of the TT is marked as E flat. That means E flat carries through that whole measure. They like to save ink, so they only put the flat sign on the first one. And it's your responsibility to know that all the E's in that measure have to be played as E flat. The accidental carries through that whole measure. They like to save ink. Okay, song 109, the A staff. Again, you can play with me, or if you want to try it, if you've already practiced this and you haven't mastered, then I play the A staff and maybe you play the B staff. Everybody find an F? And we're going to do bum, bum, rest, ti, ti, ta, ta. Okay, this will be the speed. Song 109. 1, 2, ready. All right. Now let's try the B staff, the B staff. The B staff is kind of scale-ish, you'll notice it. And B flat again, remember to use first finger for B flat. And there are some E flat accidentals in this one also. Okay, so everybody find an F. I'm going to play the B staff. You can play the B staff with me, or if you want, you can try the A staff. Okay, the B staff. 1, 2, ready. And that was Bottom Bass Boogie. If you didn't already try to play it as a duet with me, I encourage you to roll back the video a bit and try it as a duet. All right.